Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download Python on your computer. So for downloading Python, open any browser. So let me open. Now, here on the browser, search here download Python. So let me type and search. So here you can see here's a website download Python. Now click on it. So now we are on the official website of Python. So now go to download section and now here standalone installer for Python. So now click on this Python 3.14.2. So here you can see installer has been downloaded. So now double click it to install and just wait. So here you can see installer has been launched. So ensure to check mark this add python.exe to path. So now after checking mark this, click on install now. So here you can see Python is installing. So this will take a few seconds according to your PC configuration. So here you can see it is installing. So just wait till the installing ends. So now here you can see setup was successful and Python has been successfully installed on our computer. So now click on close and then press on window key and then search here Python. So here you can see Python ideally is showing. Now click on it to launch it. So just wait. It will take a few seconds to launch. So here you can see Python ideally has been launched. So now maximize it. So now go to file, then go to new file. And here you can see editor has been opened. So now here we can write code to run. So in this video, we will also run our first program. So let me write here. So print hello world. So here you can see I have written the print hello world. So now go to run and then click on run module. So now press on OK and then save it. So I will name it first program. You can name whatever you want. So now click on save. So now here you can see hello world program is successfully compiled. And here is the output hello world. So this is how you can download Python on your computer and run our first program in Python. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. Also check out the description for the related information on Python. Thanks for watching.